In the midnight glow where the stars align, we lose ourselves in the rhythm divine. Underneath the sky painted
Get
with
ready now.
dreams, we're chasing the
Lift
echoes
yourself
of
up on your
silent
tiptoes.
screams.
36
Caught in the
seconds.
spell of the cosmic night, where fantasies bloom in the pale moonlight. We'll let go of all that we know and dance in the stardust's gentle flow. Dancing in the stardust, we're weightless and free in a world of wonders. Just you and me, lost in the moment. Our spirits ignite as we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light. Among constellations, we'll find our way. Through the celestial symphony, we'll sway. With every step, we leave our cares
It's almost done.
in this celestial
Find a wall to put your hands against.
divine. Caught in the spell of the cosmic night, the fences bloom in the pale
For both sides.
moonlight.
Stand a big step away from the wall with your hands against the wall and your one foot behind the other foot's ankle. Lift your heel that is on the floor up and down. 83 seconds.
As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light, the shimmering galaxies will find our way. Guided by love's everlasting sway, with each celestial heartbeat, we'll dance on in this cosmic gate. As we twirl in the magic of the cosmic light.
It's almost done. Stand upright. Stand upright, raise your arms above your head, then bend over as much as you can. Repeat the move. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Wait while standing. Lift your one arm and the opposite foot at the same time. Raise your knee at your hips level. Switch to the other arm and the opposite foot. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, lift your legs slightly off the floor and keep them straight, then move your leg crosswise. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back, raise your leg, and bend them at the knees. Extend your legs straight forward and pull them back to your chest. Repeat. 25 seconds. It's almost done. Lie on your back. Lie on your back with your legs extended and lift your upper body on your elbows. Alternately raise your one leg up while reaching it with your opposite hand. 25 seconds. It's almost done.